In this lesson, we're gonna see how to create a transition prototype between multiple screens. So we have these three frames here, onboarding screen 1, onboarding screen 2 and onboarding screen 3. And I have properly named every element or every layer here. So on the screen 1 you can see I have element 1 which is a sphere, and we have this image for a location. Then we have this element 2, small sphere. We have content, we have dots, we have skip text button, we have next button. So everything is named here properly so that our animation works perfectly. So let's get started with the prototyping. So for the screen 1 we're gonna go to this next button and click on this node and gonna drop it on the second frame, and we'll gonna fill in the details. For the trigger we're gonna say on click, navigate to onboarding screen 2, animation slide in, perfect. We need to slide from right to left, so we're gonna select this one, and ease in and out 400 milliseconds, perfect. We're gonna close this. We're gonna go to frame 2, we're gonna select the next button, gonna do the same, drag the connection to the screen 3, and automatically Figma will remember our previous settings. So this is all fine here. I'm gonna close this, and that's it. That's how you connect three different screens using trigger point. So let's play this prototype and see how this is working. So we are on the first screen, the next button, we're gonna click on that, and here we are on the second screen. We again gonna click on the next button, and that's it. That's how the prototyping works for multiple screens. And of course this animation was not perfect since we are creating a basic transition prototype here, not the whole element based animated prototype, and we're gonna create that soon in our next lessons. So you may ask, like, where can I use these transition based animations? So transition based animation are very useful when you are doing a rapid prototype. So you can quickly connect all the wireframes or all the screens together without adding any complex animation, and that's the use case of these transition based animations. They are quick and easy to prototype. So yeah, have a wonderful day ahead and see you guys in the next video.